If you want to upload a document to ElevenLabs Projects, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. This is perfect if you want to turn a document into a project, import written content, or get started with ElevenLabs more efficiently. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs Studio. Once you're inside Studio, look for the New Project button and click it. This is where you begin a new project and bring your content into the workspace. After that, you'll see an option to upload file. Click that button to start importing your document. Now, ElevenLabs will ask you to choose a supported file format. You can upload EPUB, which is the recommended format, or you can use PDF, DOCX, TXT, or HTML. Just select the document you want from your computer and confirm the upload. If your content is already hosted online, you may also have the option to import it directly from a URL. That can save time if you do not want to download and re-upload the file manually. Once your file is uploaded, ElevenLabs will bring it into your project and begin using that content as part of your workflow. So the basic steps are simple. Open Studio, click New Project, choose Upload File, select your supported document type, or import from a URL if needed. And that's how to upload a document to ElevenLabs Projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check back for more ElevenLabs tutorials and AI workflow tips.